A 39-year-old vendor was shot and killed by several unknown assailants on Bond Street in Kingston on Sunday. Dead is Leroy O'Sullivan of Tulip Lane, Kingston 4. Reports are that about 6 a.m. O'Sullivan was standing at his cart on Bond Street when a car drove up and several men alighted with handguns. The men opened gunfire at him, hitting him all over his body before speeding off in the motor vehicle. Lawmen were alerted to the scene and O'Sullivan was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Investigations are ongoing. A game of cards has left a Portland family in turmoil after a loved one lost his life, allegedly over $150 on April 19. The victim is 34-year-old Julian Minot, a farmer of Mao District. Beverly Sullivan, his mother, said she has sleepless nights and can't even eat since the horrific incident. According to the police, reports are about 6:45 p.m. Minot and a group of men were gambling when a verbal dispute erupted. Two of the men later brandished knives and stabbed Minot several times before fleeing the scene. The police were alerted and Minot was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Two men were taken into police custody in relation to the incident. Members of a family at Linseed in St. Catherine are said to be in distress and are crying amid the disappearance of a loved one and the discovery of the burnt-out remains of his motor car. The missing 30-year-old Roshane Wilkins operates a taxi between Uriton District and his Linseed hometown. Reports reaching the Beacon are that he left home last week Friday night for an undisclosed location. Since then, reports have emerged that he got an airport charter. His vehicle was found the following day burnt out in the Sligoville area of St. Catherine. In describing the father of two sons' physical appearance, a representative of his family said he is of dark brown complexion and he has long beard. He also has a full sleeve of tattoo on his right hand. His right leg has a Sagittarius tattoo. He also has an R on his neck. Anyone knowing Wilkins' whereabouts is being asked to contact the nearest police station.